So this is your massive living and dining area. You can see how this is your lavish kitchen area. You can see after placing a huge king size bed, there is still a lot of space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I'll be giving you the sample flat tour of DGS Sheetal Sneha Sagar by DGS Group located at Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office and the tower. Now let me show you the neighborhood. So this is your main entrance. Have a look to it. So the road on the right hand side takes you to the Lokhandwala circle, and the road on the left hand side takes you to the Lokhandwala complex road. But before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers, because in Housey, listing is done by builders and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. You see, this project is being constructed on 1.2 acres of land parcel featuring one tower, ground and second floor is a commercial floor, third is your podium, sixth level is your E-deck car parking with 31 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies with jodi options available. Here you'll be getting 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, jogging track, sitting area, banquet hall and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located at Lokhandwala Circle, Lokhandwala, Andheri West, Mumbai with Infinity Mall 600 meters, SV Road 2.1 kilometers and Versova Beach at just 2.4 kilometers. Now let me show you your 3 BHK sample flat tour with a square feet of 1260. So as you enter, this is your main entrance. You'll be getting a wooden door. And this is your foyer area where you can place up a small couch to sit and wear your shoes. Now let me show you your spacious living and dining area. So this is your massive living and dining area. You can see how beautifully it has been designed for your reference. So this is your living area where 2 to 3 sofa couch can easily place up over here because it has a lot of space. So just in front of your sofa set, you will be having your TV unit. Along with the living area, you will be getting your attached deck area. You can see how spacious it is. You can easily set up a sofa swing and create your own green space area also. And you can also set up a small chairs over here. And just in front of your living area, you will be having your dining area, where 4 to 5 people can easily accommodate over here and enjoy your meals with your family. Now let me show you your other space. So this is your layout. Now let me show you your kitchen area. So this is your lavish kitchen area. You can see how spacious it is. Again, there is a lot of space to walk over here where 3 to 4 people can easily work over here at the same time. And this is your two-sided parallel platform with an upper cabinet and lower cabinet on both the sides. And you will be getting a dry area also. Have a look to it where you can place up your washing machine. And at this area you can place up your huge refrigerator also. Now diagonally opposite to your kitchen area, you will be having your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let me show you your children's bedroom. So this is your spacious children's bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. You can also place a huge bed and still there be a lot of space to walk over here. And you'll be getting an attached window for your ventilation purpose, from where you'll be getting a natural light. At this side you can place up your huge wardrobe as well, and you can also create over here a study table for your toddler. You will be getting an attached washroom. Now let me show you your second bedroom. So this is your massive second bedroom. You can see a lot of space over here. Here you can easily place up a small couch over here. After placing a huge bed, still there is an ample of space to walk over here. So you can see this apartment holds a lot of space and it has a spacious bedroom as well. And you'll be getting a deck area also. Again for your view purpose, and from you'll be getting a natural light. Now it is very important to consider how much natural light is going to be getting in your room. Now here you'll be getting a wardrobe area. A huge wardrobe can easily accommodate over here. And here you'll be getting your washroom. In every bedroom you'll be getting an attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And in every room you'll be getting a wetrified tiles. Now let me show you your master bedroom, but before that let me tell you some key features of Housey. So here's Housey with the actual location tour, sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So what are you waiting? Register for free and book your free site visits. Now let's check out your master bedroom. So this is your spacious master bedroom. You can see after placing a huge king size bed, there is still a lot of space over here. You'll be getting a two-sided dressing table as well. And you'll be getting a deck area with a lot of space. At this corner, you can create your working table as well. Now, in front of that, you'll be getting your wardrobe space. So huge wardrobe can easily accommodate over here. And now let me show you the best part of a master bedroom, that is your walk-in wardrobe. You can see how spacious it is, along with the attached washroom. You can see this entire apartment has been beautifully designed for your preference. You can create your own home according to your choice. You can see there is a lot of space in entire home and your living area also. So everyone, this was a complete 3 BHK sample flat tour of DGS Sheetal Sneha Sagar by DGS Group located at Andheri West. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.